Hello learners, we are back again with a new topic today. Till now, we learnt about how the Earth got originated and how is the interior of the Earth. Now, we will try to understand about the atmosphere of the Earth. Oh, I'm feeling a little suffocated. The windows of the room seem closed. Let me open one of them so that I can get some fresh air from the atmosphere. Wait, what is an atmosphere? Or what do we mean by atmosphere? Atmosphere is the blanket of gases and water vapor that surrounds Earth. But how this atmosphere came into existence? It got formed before the Earth was formed, or after that. From where did these gases come into existence? Oh, there are so many questions that must be coming in your mind. Let me explain you a bit about the atmosphere and its origin. To your surprise, the present composition of Earth's atmosphere is chiefly contributed by nitrogen and oxygen. But have you ever thought, did the atmosphere suddenly get formed or it evolved through a process? The present atmosphere has been the result of 3 stages of the evolution of the present atmosphere. The first stage is marked by the loss of primordial atmosphere. Here, primordial means early. So, at first, there was the loss of early atmosphere. The primordial atmosphere consisted of hydrogen and helium. It's supposed to have been stripped off as a result of the solar winds. This happened not only in the case of the Earth, but also in all the terrestrial planets, which were supposed to have lost their primordial atmosphere through the impact of solar winds. During the cooling of the Earth, gases and water vapor were released from the interior of the Earth. This was the second stage of evolution of the atmosphere, that is, contribution of hot interior of the Earth. The early atmosphere largely contained water vapor, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, and very little free oxygen. The process through which the gases were outpoured from the interior is called degassing. So, degassing took place. Continuous volcanic eruptions also contributed water vapor and gases to the atmosphere. As the Earth cooled, the water vapor released started getting condensed. The carbon dioxide in the atmosphere got dissolved in rainwater, and the temperature further decreased, causing more condensation and more rains. The rainwater falling onto the surface and got collected in the depressions to give rise to oceans. Do you remember the geological time scale that we discussed earlier? It is given here again for your understanding. We will try to understand the important happenings on the Earth with the help of the geological time scale. The Earth's ocean were formed within 500 million years from the formation of the Earth. You will be surprised to know that the oceans are as old as 4,000 million years. Sometime around 3,800 million years ago, life began to evolve. However, around 2,500 to 3,000 million years before the present, the process of photosynthesis got evolved. Finally, the composition of the atmosphere was modified by the living world through the process of photosynthesis. Do you know, life was confined to the oceans for a long time. Oceans began to have the contribution of oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. Eventually, oceans were saturated with oxygen, and 2000 million years ago, oxygen began to flood the atmosphere. Then, the origin of the life took place. I hope it is clear to you now that initially the Earth, or even the atmosphere of the Earth, was not conducive for the development of life. Modern scientists refer to the origin of life as a kind of chemical reaction, which first generated complex organic molecules and assembled them. The record of life that existed on this planet in different periods is found in rocks in the form of fossils. Do you know what fossils are? Have you ever seen a fossil? Fossils are the dead remains or impressions of plants or any organism. Wait, I will show you a fossil. This is the fossil of a snail that has been trapped in the limestone rock. This fossil was collected from the area near Sam village of Rajasthan, India. Interestingly, the microscopic structures of early life closely related to the present form of blue algae have been found in geological formations much older than some 3000 million years. So, it is assumed that life began to evolve sometime 3800 million years ago. This was all about how the atmosphere of our Earth originated. Let us now try to recapitulate what we learned today with the help of a few questions. 1. When was the Earth's atmosphere formed? A. Before the Earth was formed. B. At the same time when Earth's evolution and formation of its interior was taking place. C. After the life originated. 2. Evolution of Earth's atmosphere took place in how many stages? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. 3. When did the life evolve? A. 2000 million years ago. B. 3000 million years ago. C. 3800 million years ago. If you have not been able to answer all the questions, try to find answer to these with the help of your textbook. We will meet again with some other topic.